I want us to sit with a psalm. Let it call to us, and let it speak into the places we often keep hidden, the places where words fail, but the ache sometimes remains. Deep calls to deep. In the roar of the waterfalls, all your waves and breakers have swept over me. Psalm 42, verse 7. Maybe you've known the silence. You smile outwardly, but inside you're carrying a weight no one else can see. You're longing for someone to understand, yet finding that even the closest companions cannot reach the depth of your sorrow. The psalmist knew that place. He was far from home, far from the temple, far from familiar comfort. His days were marked by longing and tears, and in my case, sickness. Yet he believed Elohim, the God Most High, could meet him in the depths. And he did. Just as the waters of the Jordan thundered, so did his soul cry out, and God always answers. Your life may look different, the rhythm of work, the quiet of the home, and the hidden battles no one sees. The truth is the same. Deep calls to deep. That deep pain you want to carry, the Lord speaks healing. The deep-rooted anger, he brings peace. The deep ache, he places his balm upon it. Let his word go deep. Let him reach the places no one else can touch. That's where comfort is found. So if you're listening today with the heaviness of your spirit, hear this. You are not alone. The God who formed the depths of the sea also formed the depths of your soul. He knows the currents that pull at you. He knows the waves that threaten to overwhelm you. And he meets you right there. Not with condemnation, but with compassion. Not with distance, but with nearness. His mercy runs deeper than sorrow. His peace stronger than anger. And he is healing greater than any ache. Let this truth settle into you. When deep calls to deep, the Lord answers. He is not far. He is not silent. He is the God who meets you in the depths. So carry this word with you today. Let it echo in your heart. And may his peace be the river that sustains you, his love the anchor that steadies you, and his presence the comfort that restores you. Have a blessed Friday, and may God go with you always.